Fiat has a history of making sturdy powerhouses and road warriors, and the Fullback happens to be one of them. We'll discuss the thrilling comebacks of this specific car, the 2025 Fiat Fullback pickup. Fiat has revived this monster with a bang, offering the most affordable and powerful 4x4 in its class. From its rugged appearance to its powerful powertrains, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding capabilities, the new Fullback is poised to disrupt the pickup market. With its distinctive look, the 2025 Fiat Fullback offers a strong first impression. Fiat has successfully combined robust utility with stylish Italian appearance, resulting in a truck that distinguishes out in a congested market. Starting at the exterior, the Fullback commands attention with its massive chrome-accented grille. The Fiat emblem sits firmly in the center, flanked by sleek LED headlights with daytime running lights. These aren't just for show. They also provide superb lighting for quick morning drives or nighttime off-road escapades. Turning to the sides, the Fullback's appearance is defined by robust, muscular lines that extend from the front fenders to the rear, giving it a sensation of movement even when motionless. The wheel arches are visibly flared, with big 18-inch alloy wheels on the base model and up to 20 inches on higher trims. They not only look excellent, but they also give adequate clearance for severe off-roading. The multi-function tailgate is one of the most unique design characteristics. Unlike standard single-piece tailgates, the Fullback tailgate can be opened in a variety of ways. It can swing down like a traditional tailgate or split and open barn door manner for easier access to the bed. The bed is lined with a robust scratch-resistant material and has many tie-down points to secure items. The bed is amply spacious, with class-leading capacity. Fiat has also included innovative storage solutions, such as lockable compartments built into the bed walls, which are ideal for safely storing tools or small goods. The Fullback's rear includes innovative LED taillights that arc around the corners, increasing visibility and providing a bit of modern flair. The rear bumper has incorporated steps on both sides, making it easy for reaching the bed. Fiat offers the Fullback in a variety of colors, ranging from classic whites and silvers to vibrant reds and blues. For those who want to stand out, there's a special edition tricolor paint scheme that features the colors of the Italian flag in a delicate, attractive design along the truck's flanks. The general aesthetic style of the 2025 Fullback is balanced between form and function. It's robust without being unduly aggressive, and modern without abandoning its practical origins. The aerodynamics have been enhanced over the previous generation, with subtle design elements like an air curtain in the front bumper and a small rear spoiler built into the top of the tailgate. Fiat has also paid close attention to the smallest details. The doorknobs are broad and simple to hold, even with work gloves on. The flank mirrors are large and electronically foldable, providing superb visibility. There's even an extra roof rack system that can be easily fitted and removed when needed. When it comes to power and efficiency, the 2025 Fiat Fullback not only talks the talk, but also walks the walk, with an astounding choice of engine options tailored to meet a wide range of needs and tastes. The first attraction is the base engine, which, honestly, is far from basic. Fiat has fitted the basic Fullback with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine. This engine produces around 200 horsepower and 400 foot-pound of torque. It's combined with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, resulting in a superb combination of power and fuel efficiency. This engine is ideal for individuals who require a dependable worker without bursting the bank at the pump. Moving up in the range, we reach the crux of Fiat's claim to be the most powerful designation. The flagship engine is a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel that generates an impressive 280 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. This engine turns the Fullback into a towing and hauling machine that is capable of hauling up to 7,700 pounds when properly outfitted. It's paired with a strong 10-speed automatic transmission, which keeps the engine in its peak power range at all times. However, Fiat remains cognizant about the growing desire for electrification. In a bold move, they've added a hybrid engine to the 2025 Fullback. This engine integrates a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine and an electric motor, producing 250 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system not only offers quick torque for faster off-the-line acceleration, but also dramatically improves fuel economy, particularly in metropolitan areas. Fiat has a treat in store for customers wishing to go all-electric. While not available at launch, the manufacturer has announced that a completely electric version of the Fullback will be launched later in the model year. This EV model is expected to generate 400 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of immediate torque, with a projected range of 300 miles on a single charge. All engine options include start-stop technology, which improves fuel efficiency in city driving. The diesel engines have cutting-edge emissions control technology, guaranteeing that they meet or surpass current environmental laws. One of the most interesting features of the Fullback's engine options is its efficient heat management system. This technique allows the engines to achieve the appropriate operating temperature rapidly, boosting both performance and fuel efficiency. It also helps to manage battery temperature in hybrid and forthcoming EV models, assuring constant performance and durability. Fiat has also added a sophisticated regenerative braking system to all versions. In hybrid and electric vehicles, this mechanism uses braking energy to replenish the battery. In typical diesel versions, it aids in keeping the battery charged, lowering the burden on the alternator and boosting fuel efficiency. Each engine option comes with either rear-wheel drive or an advanced four-wheel drive system. The 4x4 system has 3 selectable drive modes: 2 high for normal driving, 4 high for more traction in slick circumstances, and 4 low for serious off-roading or heavy towing. Step into the 2025 Fiat Fullback, and you'll be welcomed by an interior that strikes the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and innovative technology. Fiat has definitely put a lot of consideration into designing a room that can double as both a mobile office and a comfy retreat for lengthy excursions. A big 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes up most of the dashboard space. This high-resolution display serves as the primary control center for the majority of the vehicle's operations, including navigation, climate control, music settings, and diagnostics. The technology works with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring smooth connectivity with your smartphone. For music lovers, a superior sound system created in collaboration with a well-known audio company provides concert-like sound quality. Behind the steering wheel is a completely computerized 10-inch instrument cluster. This configurable display may display a wide range of information, from standard speed and fuel levels to more complex statistics such as off-road angles and power distribution in the 4x4 system. The steering wheel is upholstered in quality leather and includes easy-to-use controls for the infotainment system, cruise control, and driver assistance systems. Higher equipment levels also include heated steering wheels, which is a useful amenity on cold mornings. The seats in the Fullback merit special recognition. They're intended to provide comfort on extended trips and assistance during off-road adventures. The basic model comes with high-quality cloth upholstery, while higher trim levels include leather seating surfaces. Both front seats are power adjustable, and the driver's seat has memory settings. The front seats are heated and ventilated to ensure comfort in all weather conditions. The Fullback provides ample space. The cab is surprisingly spacious, with plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and back passengers. The crew cab model's rear seats can comfortably seat 3 adults and can be folded up for additional storage space. Storage choices are abundant across the inside. There is a spacious center console that can comfortably contain a laptop, various cup holders, door pockets designed to carry large water bottles, and even a concealed compartment under the back seats for valuables. In terms of technology, the Fullback is jam-packed with features that simplify and connect your life. There's a wireless charging station for compatible devices, many USB ports, both Type A and Type C around the cabin, and an extra 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. The Fullback also debuts Fiat's latest voice-activated assistant. This AI-powered system can regulate a variety of car operations, including modifying the climate control and locating the nearest gas station. It is intended to interpret natural speech, making it straightforward and simple to use. Fiat has included some useful features for individuals who use their pickup trucks for business. There is a built-in inverter that can power equipment or other devices directly from the vehicle battery. The infotainment system also has a dedicated work mode that can monitor mileage, fuel usage, and even assist with invoicing. Climate control is dual zone as standard, with an optional tri-zone system for rear passenger comfort. The system is quiet and effective, swiftly bringing the cabin to the appropriate temperature. Fiat has also focused on noise, vibration, and harshness or NVH levels. The cabin is well insulated, resulting in a calm ride even at highway speeds or through rugged terrain. This is especially obvious with the diesel engines, which are unusually quiet for their class. Enjoying the content? Join our community to become the ultimate car channel. Hit that subscribe button and be a part of our community. Now, back to the video. In terms of efficiency and capacity, the 2025 Fiat Fullback really excels. The truck is built to perform well both on and off the road, making it a versatile option for a wide range of users. Let's start with driving performance. Considering its size, the Fullback handles surprisingly nice on paved roads. The suspension system, which includes double wishbones in the front and a multi-link rear, delivers a smooth ride while maintaining stability. Body roll is adequately controlled, allowing the Fullback to appear more like a vehicle than a pickup. The steering wheel is well weighted and responsive, providing useful feedback to the driver. Despite its large size, the Fullback is easy to maneuver in urban situations. A 360-degree video system is offered to make parking easier in tight spaces. Acceleration is superb throughout the range. The base 2.2-liter diesel engine can accelerate the Fullback from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 10 seconds, which is reasonable for its class. The V6 diesel reduces this time to roughly 7.5 seconds, giving surprisingly rapid acceleration for a pickup. The hybrid vehicle splits the difference in roughly 8.5 seconds, although it has the benefit of quick electric torque for responsive city driving. The off-road version, however, is where the Fullback really shines. The 4x4 system is strong and powerful, with a low-range transfer case for overcoming difficulties. In addition, a locking rear differential is provided for added traction in tough circumstances. The Fullback has a generous ground clearance of 9.5 inches, allowing it to easily clear most obstacles. The approach angle of 30 degrees, departure angle of 25 degrees, and breakover angle of 22 degrees are all competitive in their class, guaranteeing that the Fullback can manage steep inclines and drops without scraping. Fiat has added an enhanced off-road mode to the Fullback's electronics. This technology optimizes performance in a variety of off-road circumstances by adjusting throttle response, transmission shift points, and traction control. Drivers can choose between modes such as sand, mud, and rock, and the vehicle's components respond appropriately. For water crossings, the Fullback has a wading depth of 31.5 inches. The air intake is located high up in the engine bay, and key electrical components are watertight. The Fullback is a capable hauler and tow vehicle. Payload capacity varies by model, but reaches an astonishing 2,200 pounds. As previously stated, the maximum towing capacity with the V6 engine is 7,700 pounds, which places it near the top in its class. To help with towing, the Fullback includes trailer sway control as standard. This technology detects when a trailer begins to sway and applies individual wheel braking to get it back under control. There is also a fully integrated trailer brake controller and a blind spot monitoring system that may be expanded to span the entire length of the trailer. For people who frequently drive in difficult situations, Fiat offers an optional advanced terrain management system. This features underbody skid plates, all-terrain tires, and an improved cooling system for the engine and transmission. Fuel efficiency is competitive throughout the Fiat lineup. The standard diesel engine delivers roughly 25 miles per gallon combined, while the V6 gets around 22 miles per gallon. The hybrid variant increases this to an astonishing 30 miles per gallon combined, with the ability to go short distances solely on electric power. The Fullback prioritizes safety with a competitive package of features aimed at protecting occupants and preventing accidents. Fiat used cutting-edge technology to design a pickup that is not only powerful and capable, but is also among the safest in its class. The Fullback's sturdy body structure is crucial to its safety characteristics. The frame is built of high-strength steel, which absorbs and distributes impact forces in the case of a collision. The cab has a reinforced safety cell, which provides great protection for occupants. The Fullback is equipped with an extensive set of airbags, comprising front, side, and curtain airbags for both front and rear passengers. A driver's knee airbag provides additional protection in frontal crashes. However, Fiat's approach to safety goes beyond passive features, with a variety of active safety systems standard on all models. The base model is equipped with autonomous emergency braking, or AEB. This technology detects potential crashes with vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, and automatically applies the brake if the driver fails to respond in time. Lane departure warning and lane keep assist. These functions notify the driver when the car drifts out of its lane and can give steering assistance to keep the vehicle centered. Adaptive cruise control. This keeps a specified distance from the vehicle ahead of you while automatically altering your speed on the highway. Traffic sign recognition. This technology can recognize speed limits and other essential road signs and display them on the instrument cluster. Driver attention monitor. This system analyzes driving patterns to detect signs of exhaustion or distraction and alerts the driver to take a break if necessary. Trailer stability assist. When hauling, this technology detects trailer sway and applies individual wheel brakes to bring the load back under control. Tire pressure monitoring system. This system informs the driver if any of the tire's pressure drop below the recommended level, thereby reducing blowouts and improving fuel efficiency. The Fullback has also enhanced lighting technology to increase safety. LED headlights are standard throughout the lineup, with adaptive lighting optional on higher specification levels. These may swivel according to steering input, illuminating corners as you turn. ISOFIX child seat anchor points are located in the rear seats of the Fullback for further safety. The rear doors also include child safety locks. In terms of security, all models have an advanced anti-theft system that comprises an engine immobilizer and an alarm. Higher trim levels have a GPS tracking device for increased security. Fiat subjected the Fullback to strict evaluations, including simulated accident tests and real-world off-road trials. While official safety ratings are not yet available, Fiat strives for high scores in all key safety examinations. The 2025 Fiat Fullback joins the highly contested pickup truck marketplace with a clear strategy: provide an appealing combination of price, capacity, and Italian flair. Branded as the cheapest and most powerful 4x4 in its category, the Fullback seeks to carve out a distinct niche in the mid-size pickup category. Fiat has aggressively priced the Fullback, undercutting several of its competitors. The base model starts at a far cheaper price than similar trucks from prominent pickup brands. This pricing approach is an important component of Fiat's aim to win market share in a segment previously dominated by American and Japanese manufacturers. The Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, Chevrolet Colorado, and Nissan Navara are some of the Fullback's main competitors. Each of these adversaries has its own strengths. The Toyota Hilux is known for its dependability and resale value. The Ford Ranger has impressive horsepower and technological features. The Chevrolet Colorado is known for its smooth ride and maneuverability. The Nissan Navara offers an excellent blend of business and lifestyle amenities. The Fullback, on the other hand, seeks to set itself apart by combining affordability, power, and a distinct European design. Its Italian style distinguishes it in a market where many automobiles share a common appearance. Its enhanced safety features and technological advancements enable it to compete with more expensive options in the segment. With the Fullback, Fiat hopes to appeal to a diverse range of customers. On one hand, it appeals to cost-conscious shoppers looking for a capable work truck without breaking the bank. The base model, with its cheap pricing and reasonable standard features, is well positioned in this market. Higher-end Fullback versions, with their strong engines and luxury features, are aimed at lifestyle shoppers who desire a pickup that can handle weekend activities while serving as a comfortable everyday transportation. The new EV vehicle is aimed at eco-conscious consumers and organizations aiming to lower their carbon impact. From its eye-catching design and strong engines to its comfy, tech-laden interior and outstanding capabilities, the Fullback is poised to create waves in the pickup industry. With its competitive pricing and distinct features, it provides an appealing alternative to more well-known rivals. While it confronts intense competition from established rivals, the Fullback's distinct value proposition provides it a fighting opportunity to carve out its own niche in this competitive industry. Whether you're a worker searching for a dependable, inexpensive truck, or an adventurer looking for capable and elegant transportation, the Fullback belongs on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this video, then check out our next video about the 2024 Subaru Brat.